If you're into sublimation or printing business, I highly recommend to add this machine. This is called button press with remache mold. Ito yung ginagamit sa paggawa ng personalized ID lace and bag tags. I'll show you kung paano gumawa ng bag tags. So first, piprintan nyo muna yung lace and then dito ina-assemble ko na siya and bubutasan para makabit ko yung remache. Set na yan pag binili nyo male and female button rack or remache. May 100 pieces in a pack and meron ding 1,000. Then dito na natin gagamitin yung button press machine. So ipapasok lang dun sa mold and then ipapress yung handle just like that. It's so easy to use lang. So here's a different angle para mas makita ninyo kung paano niya nilalock yung remache. Ang mura lang din ng machine kaya mabilis ang ROI dito. Maganda to i-offer as personalized gifts, party giveaways, corporate giveaways, or kahit pa pang personal use lang. I'll put the link here kung saan ko nabili yung button press with remache mold. Just click the yellow basket.